So today I wanted to talk a little bit about your credit report and how the information that appears on that is changing with comprehensive credit reporting that's come in. Historically, the information that was available on your your credit report was limited to inquiries, any lodged defaults, and any creditor arrangements. So a lender who was looking at your credit report could see that you had applied for credit somewhere, but they couldn't necessarily see whether you'd gone through with that application and actually have a facility in place. Whereas with positive credit reporting now, all of that above information will appear, but it also provides information around what facilities are open and what the limits are. It does include facilities that have been closed as well. And for all of those facilities, it includes the last 24 months repayment history. And this is really important because it means that if you have had a facility where the conduct on that account hasn't been great, closing it doesn't necessarily remove that information from visibility for a new finance application, whether it's a credit card or a home loan. At this stage, most of your consumer finance inquiries and information appear, and later on this year, from around September, all banks and lenders are required to report on home loan data. So what this will mean is that your credit score will be really helpful if you've got a good track record, you've made all of your repayments on time, but if you have had some issues in the past, getting some professional help with assessing the best way to proceed with an application is going to be really important, especially because every time you make an application for credit, that impacts on your credit score and can reduce it over time. So you do want to make sure that when you put in an application, it's done properly and professionally and with the best possibility for success. Paying bills on time is also really important. While the telcos and the utilities don't record payment history, they are very quick to list defaults where there's been an issue, and this can cause something that you may trip over in an application. So if you'd like to get a handle on what your credit score is and how your credit report looks, get in touch, we'll have a chat and take you through the process of understanding how you're positioned as a potential borrower.